Bellivera Women's Faux Leather Fleece Lined Coat. Winter Hooded Zip-Up Parka with Belt. Keep warm and cold. This women's puffy quilted jacket features a padded faux fur lining and a waterproof leather outer layer, ensuring head-to-toe warmth. The faux fur-lined hood, pockets, and sleeves provide extra protection, keeping you cozy and comfortable in any winter weather. Excellent craftsmanship. Soft, luxurious, and fluffy, this quilted bubble coat is lightweight and comfortable, while enhancing your figure. Its innovative quilting technique offers both everyday wear and stylish design. Precise stitching guarantees warmth and freedom of movement, making it ideal for cold winter days. The removable belt allows you to customize your look effortlessly. Unique design. The plush and faux leather patchwork design combines natural and modern materials. The soft plush feels like a warm embrace, providing cozy comfort while showcasing natural texture. The faux leather adds a contemporary touch, giving the coat a stylish vibe. This piece not only keeps you warm but also reflects a unique aesthetic and innovative attitude. Multiple options. This chic mid-length coat with a fur collar is available in a variety of colors, sizes, and styles, including quilted and leather options. Each design is functional yet fashionable, allowing you to express your style while staying comfortable. Usage tips. Handle the fur with care. Gently pat it or use a hair dryer on a low setting for maintenance. To ensure the best fit, refer to the provided size chart. This lightweight, solid color winter parka is perfect for various occasions, from work and travel to camping, hiking, and casual outdoor activities.